How deep can a whale shark dive? A whale shark can dive to 1,900 meters. What is the unique reproductive method of a whale shark? The whale shark produces eggs but hatch inside the mother. How many teeth does a whale shark have? A whale shark has up to 3,000 teeth. What is the average speed a whale shark can travel? A whale shark can travel up to 5 miles per hour. What adaptation allows whale sharks to filter plankton out of the water? Gill slits allow whale sharks to filter plankton out of the water. For more quizzes like these, please like and subscribe.